Ancient Sri Lanka was well known as it was situated at the center of the Silk Road. Ceylon cinnamon has become one of the main exports over a long period of time. According to Mahavamsa, or the Great Chronicle of Sri Lanka, the first European invaders, the Portuguese, came after the aroma of this sweet cinnamon. Amongst the many species of cinnamon that can be found in the Cinnamomum genus and family, Lauraceae, the most popular species around the world are the true or sweet cinnamon or Ceylon cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum or Cinnamomum zeylanicum, Chinese cinnamon, Cinnamomum cassia and Cinnamomum wilsonii, Saigon or Vietnamese cinnamon, Cinnamomum lowriri, and Java or Indonesian cinnamon, Cinnamomum burmani. Ceylon cinnamon is expensive and has a higher demand in the world market compared to the other species. There are 9 Cinnamomum species found in Sri Lanka, among which Cinnamomum verum is considered as the most important one, contributing to 70% of the world's true cinnamon bark production.
The composition of the phytochemicals depends on part, age, growing season, demography, and the extraction method. Cinnamon bark contains at least 90 volatile compounds. Cinnamaldehyde, 55 to 76%, eugenol, 5 to 18%, and safrole, up to 2%, are the main compounds present in the bark. Cinnamyl acetate, cinnamyl alcohol, eugenol acetate, methyl eugenol, benzaldehyde, benzyl benzoate, human aldehyde, linalool, and monoterpene hydrocarbons are some of the other volatiles that can be found in the essential oil extracted from cinnamon bark. According to Sri Lanka standards, SLS, cinnamon bark oil should contain a refractive index between 1.555 to 1.580 and specific gravity between 1.010 to 1.030. In Sri Lanka, manufacturers produce 4 grades of bark oils, depending on the percentage of cinnamaldehyde. Superior grade contains not less than 60% mass per mass. Special grade, 55 to 60% mass per mass. Average grade, 45 to 55% mass per mass. And ordinary grade, 30 to 45% mass per mass. However, phenol content in the oil should not exceed 18% in superior, special, and average grades.
Eugenol, 80%, and cinnamaldehyde, 16%, are the 2 main components present in the leaf oil. Eugenol acetate, benzaldehyde, benzyl benzoate, humulene, isocaryophyllene, alpha-languine, methyl cinnamate, ethyl cinnamate and conifer aldehyde are the other chemicals that can be extracted from the leaf. SLS Institute has recommended the consumption of cinnamon leaf oil which has a refractive index between 1.530 to 1.540 and specific gravity 1.034 to 1.050. Coumarin. Coumarin is a well-known hepatotoxic phytochemical and the optimum dose to consume is 0.1 mg per day per kilogram. Chinese cinnamon is composed of 3.6 grams coumarin per kilogram of cinnamon, whereas for Ceylon cinnamon, the ratio between this toxin to 1 kilogram of cinnamon is 0.017 grams per kilogram.
Extraction methods. As mentioned previously, leaves and inner bark of the shoots are taken as the ingredients to extract essential oils using conventional methods such as steam distillation, sock-slit distillation, and advanced methods such as supercritical fluid extraction, SFE, ultrasound-assisted extraction, microwave-assisted distillation, etc.
Uses of cinnamon. Cinnamon is considered as a holy plant in various cultural and religious societies. In ancient Egypt, dead bodies of royals were preserved as mummies, using true cinnamon as an embalming agent due to its antimicrobial properties. In addition, the ancestors of Egyptians had been using the aroma of cinnamon as a perfume. Parts of this amazing plant have been used as a folk medicine for eye inflammations, rheumatism, toothaches, loss of appetite, bronchitis, itching, urinary disease, cold, influenza, fever, and wounds.
Most Asian housewives use cinnamon bark as a spice for several reasons, such as enhancing the appetite for food, increasing the pleasant appearance due to a fragrant aroma, and for preserving food. Cinnamon liquor is one of the popular beverages among Western society. Eugenol, Cinnamaldehyde and beta-caryophyllene interfere with the viability of cancer cells.
Ceylon cinnamon can lower the postprandial glucose absorption in the intestine by inhibiting the enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Saponins, tannins and phenolic compounds in cinnamon act as anti-diarrhea, anti-cancer and antioxidant agents. Cinnamon is also known to reduce unwanted mucus and low-density lipids, LDL, in the body. Eugenol acts against both gram-negative and positive bacteria. Therefore, cinnamon oil destroys pathogens which are present in respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts. Similarly, cinnamaldehyde destroys 17 species of micromycetes and repels disease-causing vectors such as mosquitoes.
Cinnamon lowers the menstruation pain, which is known as dysmenorrhea. However, it is not recommended for consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding.
Thanks for watching.